one of your assignments that is going to be ongoing throughout the semester is a definitions wiki. So let me show you where that is. So you'll click on assignments and you will go to introduction to this course. Because it's going on throughout the course, this is always where you'll find it. And right now it's at the bottom. It won't necessarily be there, but I can click on it over here in my table of contents and it'll bring it right up. Okay, so I have launched it. Maybe I didn't want to launch it, but here's the directions on how to follow it. And I'm going to here we go. Alright, so for the definition wiki, per chapter I want you to put in a definition of a term, a unique term. I don't want 50 definitions or 50 pages on cell. Okay, so whoever gets there first gets to do cell. Now, I've already got one in here, but I'm going to show you how to create another page. So suppose I've looked at this and I've said, okay, photosynthesis, the light field conversion of carbon dioxide to organic material, such as sugars, but I really wanted to do a definition on photosynthesis. So in consulting my book, I see that there is a term called oxygenic photosynthesis. I can do a page on oxygenic photosynthesis. So I clicked on create a wiki page. Down here it says wiki page content. I'm going to name this oxygenic photosynthesis. Okay, and I'm going to put in the definition for that. Okay, so it says in the book, a light field conversion of carbon dioxide to organic material accompanied by the formation of oxygen. So I can put in photosynthesis, that is let's see how you spell it, by the formation of oxygen. Okay, now I was a little unsure about how to spell accompanied. I can go up here to spell check. No misspellings found. If there was, suppose I had something like and I click this, it'll let me know I have a misspelling by doing that. With the red line underneath, I can left click on that. It'll spell it right for me, but I don't want oxygen twice. So I'm going to hit submit, and that is going to submit that. Okay, so it tells who created it, shows that it's me, so that when I go in, I can grade you because your name will be there. So now, another thing that you will need to do is you will need to link to at least one other page per chapter. So I want to link my new term to photosynthesis. So what I do is I click on photosynthesis here. Okay, now to link to a term or to link to another page, I click Edit Wiki Content. Okay, now to link to a page, I need to highlight one of these terms, then hit this little link icon so that I can link to my page. But I don't see photosynthesis in here, and I'm going to need to link to my term, which is oxygenic photosynthesis. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this to oxygenic. Oops. Nope, don't want to change it to that. I'm showing you the wrong way first, by the way. Photosynthesis is the... Okay, now I've got photosynthesis in there that I can link to my oxygenic photosynthesis. So I'm going to click here. Oh, see, I see a wiki link page with that I want to link to, so I hit that. I hit submit. Ooh, that's not what I wanted. Ooh, okay, so I better fix that. So I can just backspace over that and delete it. Okay, so we'll put it back the way that it was. Nobody knew that I changed it. So over here, I'm going to put C, oxygenic photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay, now I can highlight that, hit the link. Now, when I have the link, it's what I wanted. Okay. Now, other people, suppose somebody wanted to have a page called sugars, and they explained what sugars were. They could highlight this, do the link. Okay. Now, I've got to hit submit before I'm done. Okay. Now I can click on this, and I've linked to my page talking about oxygenic photosynthesis. Let's go back to photosynthesis. So, like I said before, somebody can define sugars. They can define what organic material is. They can define what carbon dioxide is. If they go to the oxygenic photosynthesis page, they can link to oxygen. Okay, so you can see how we're going to create this web of interconnecting definitions. And we're going to continue this throughout the semester because photosynthesis is going to show up not only in Chapter 1, but you're going to learn more about it in later chapters, and there will be more terms that you can link to.